Hello everyone. Let's continue working on my granny square blanket, my stash buster granny square. Today we will use these three very vibrant colors to make our mitered granny square. We have already made solid mitered granny square, but today we will make it in three colors and see how we can change colors in mitered square. I'll start my square in this color. We will start by making slip knot. Use whatever method you are comfortable with and make 4 chains. 4 chains and slip stitch to make a circle. Join first and last stitch. Now we will make 3 chains, which will be our first double crochet. We will make 2 more double crochets to make our first cluster, our first shell. Chain 3 and next cluster, and we will hide our tail as well. We will crochet above it. This is our second cluster now. We have made 2 shells, 2 clusters, and we will make 3 chains and make next cluster. Last cluster, and before that 3 chains. Three chains, and we will join with the first 3 chain, which was our first double crochet. Try to pick 2 loops on your hook to make this stitch. This is the first round of our mitered granny square. Let's start the second round. Now you can either chain 3 and turn your work, or you can slip stitch and go to the next corner. Let's go to the next corner. Now we have reached the corner, and let's chain 3, the first double crochet of our next second round. Complete the cluster and chain 3. Chain 1 above the cluster and in the next space. Chain 1 above a cluster and in next space. Chain 3, chain 1 above a cluster, and we have come to the last chain 3 space of this round. Second shell or cluster of this corner. Chain 1 and join with the first chain 3. Try to pick up 2 loops, or at least go in the back hump. This is what our block, our square looks like after 2 rounds. Next we will start using our colors. Now let's change color. So I'm going to take this bright pink. We will start with making slip knot and attach the yarn in the corner. Make 3 chains and 2 double crochets in this corner. In this way we will make our first cluster of the new round, like this. Chain 1 above a cluster, and in the next cluster space we will make our next cluster. Chain 1 and in the corner. Chain 2 for the corner and turn. Chain 1 and corner, next space. Chain 1 and last corner. So we will make just one cluster here. So this is what it looks like after the color change and first round. We will go to the next round by making 3 chains. These 3 chains are our first double crochet, and this 4th chain is the chain 1 space. In the space we will make our next cluster. Chain 1, next chain 1 space, chain 1 in the corner, chain 1, and in this first chain 3 space I will make the last double crochet of my second round. I am trying to take 2 loops. Two loops on my hook and this loose end as well, and let's finish the I will finish this last double crochet with my new color. So to start next color, you will make slip knot and not finish your stitch, and put your slip knot on your crochet hook and use that to complete your double crochet. Make 3 chains and turn your work. In the space, we will complete our cluster. Chain 1 and go to the next space. Let me cut the yarn. After cutting the yarn, tie both ends and then we will hide these tails later on. Let's quickly finish this round together and move on to the next round. So chain 1 and next space. Chain 1 and next cluster. I have just one more space to fill before my corner. Chain 1 and my corner. I'll make the cluster and then move on to the next round. Okay, so I will finish this block off camera and then I'll show you the result. Here is the mitered block, mitered granny square, and in different colors we have learned how to change color and complete our mitered granny square. I hope you had nice time making this block with me. I'll hide the tails and we will have a beautiful, colorful, mitered granny square. Until next time, take care.